Morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again, you all welcome back in this GK video. And children, this is my first video of this week. And in this video, children, you all are going to read the new chapter. And the name of this chapter is here Children Park Equipment. And spelling of equipments is EQUI. EQUIPMENTS equipments. EQUIPMENTS equipments. But before, children, do you know why you all are going to read the different types of equipment in this video, children? As you all know, children, nowadays you all spend most of the times you all spend in playing indoor games and on their tablets or watching television. But you children have a great need. You all need to for a physical exercise and activity and a chance to use their muscles to run, swing, jump, skate and riding. Okay, and to be out in the fresh air and sunshine. Yes, you all need. Why, children? Because it will keep you fresh and healthy. So, children, in this video, by which it will be help to read the different types of what equipments. By these equipments, you can play different types of outdoor games. Okay, like one by one, you all will read and try to understand the uses of these equipment. So let's start. Like first one is here. Slide. Spelling of slide is SLIDE. Slide. What? Slide. A slide is a structure with a smooth sloping surface for children to slide down. As you can see, this boy is using this slide and it is very smooth surface by which their children can slide down. Okay, so this is the picture of slide and their children they play with this slide and they enjoyed a lot. Now next one is here swing. Spelling of swing is here SWING. Swing. A seat suspended by ropes. Okay, it is suspended by the ropes or chair on which someone may sit and swing back and forth. So this is the picture of swing. Okay, it may be you will sit on this rope and sometimes you will you all will swing back and forth. So this is the picture of swing. Now next one is here merry-go-round. Spelling of merry-go-round MERRY. Merry GO ROUND. Round. Merry-go-round. Of merry-go-round is spelling merry-go-round. MERRY. Merry GO ROUND. Round. And merry-go-round is revolving machine. Yes, it is revolving machine with chair on which children ride or amusement. Yes, sorry, on which children ride for amusement. Spelling of amusement AMUSEMENT. Amusements. Okay, and also on this equipment children play a lot and also they enjoyed a lot. Okay, children, so this is the picture of merry-go-round and it moves round. Okay, and also children ride for amusements. Now next one is here seesaw. Spelling of seesaw SEESAW. Seesaw. And use of this Seesaw is a long plank, yes, long plank, long plank in a fixed support on each. Okay, it is a long plank on which it is a fixed support on this. Sometimes they what one child they move up and second child they move down. So it is a long plank in which fix it what in a fixed support on which. Okay, so they sometimes they up and they down. Okay, now next one is here. Here is the picture of jungle gym. Spelling of jungle gym: Jungle, jungle, GYM, gym. Jungle gym is a large frame made of bars, that children can climb or on for enjoyment. Yes, children can what climb for enjoyments. Okay, so this is the picture of jungle gym. It is also a the what park equipments. Now some more, let's see. Monkey bars, yes, it is also a type of equipment, okay, by which children what swing like a monkey one place to another place. Okay, so this is the picture of monkey bars. Now this one, sandbox. In this children made sand pits and with that they play and they enjoyed a lot. So this is a picture of sandbox. Now next one is rope ladder. On rope ladder children they what climb on top and then they are trying they on also they try to come down. So this is the picture of rope ladder and it is very what they enjoyed a lot while what climbing on this. Now so children, these are the name of children park equipments. With hope children whatever I have taught you children you all have understood. Yes, after that children you will do one more, yes, one more work and which are related to your taught chapters. So why, yes, this already I have taught, so at a glance you all will read these all the fill in the blanks. Okay, and these all are related to your taught chapter. So let's see one by one. Like first one is here what first is here Christians go to dash to pray. Where do they go? Yes, they go to church. Check what Christian go to church. Spelling of church: CHURCH, church. CHURCH, church. Christian go to church to pray and their holy book name is the Bible. THE, the BIBLE, Bible, the Bible. Now after that next one is here next. A Jain temple is also called what? A Jain temple is also called, yes, Derasar. Jain temple is also called Derasar. Spelling of Derasar: DERA, yes, DERASAR, Derasar. Jain temple is also called Derasar in Gujarat. It is called in Gujarat. And what? Jains goes to Jain temple to pray. Now after that next one is here. And dash has 8 arms. What will you say? Yes, an octopus. An octopus has 8 arms. An octopus has 8 arms. Spelling of octopus: OCTO. OCTO, octopus. An octopus has 8 arms and also what octopuses are seas animals. They are seas animals famous for their rounded bodies. They are famous for their rounded bodies. Okay children, now let's see the next. Dash is the largest the bird in the world. So what we all have to speak? The dash is the largest bird in the world. You all will say the ostrich. Ostrich is the OSTRICH. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Okay, and it is also a type of flightless bird. They are not able to fly in the sky, and also it has three stomach. Okay, so this is the picture of ostrich. ostrich, ostrich. Now dash is the largest state of India. What will you say? Yes, Rajasthan. The Rajasthan, spelling of Rajasthan, Rajas, Rajasthan, Than, Than. Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Yes, children, Rajasthan is the largest state of India. And also, children, and what is the capital of Rajasthan? Yes, the what you have understood, Rajasthan is the largest state of India. And what? And their capital is Jaipur. Okay, spelling of Jaipur, because Rajasthan is a state name, and their capital and what? And their capital name is Jaipur. 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 Rajasthan is the largest state of India, and its capital is Jaipur. Okay, you all know, also know, children, Hawa Mahal is situated in Jaipur. Okay, so Rajasthan is the capital, or sorry, Rajasthan is the largest state of India, and its capital name is Jaipur. And also, children, do you know which is the smallest state of India? Yes, what? Goa is the smallest state of India. Now let's see the next. The dash is the holy book of Hindus. The dash is the holy book of Hindus. What do you know? Yes, the Bhagavad Gita. Spelling of Bhagavad Gita, the Bhagavad, Bhagwad, Bhagavad Gita, Gita, Gita. The Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindus. And you all know, children, where do they go to pray? Yes, they go to temple for worship. Understood, children? Now let's see the next. Dash, leopard, dash and dash belong to cat family. You can see, as you can see, so many pictures of these animals. Only any two you can write. Leopard it has given. You can write here lion. Yes, lion. And also you can write here tiger. Lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, they belongs to cat family. Okay, you all. So what? Leopard, lion and tiger belongs to cat family, Now next one is here. The Muslims go to dash to offer dash. So the Muslim go to mosque, Mosque. The Muslim go to mosque to offer nawaz, Nawaz, nawaz. The Muslim go to mosque to offer nawaz. Now next one is there. The dash is the smallest bird. Yes, the hummingbird. Spelling of humming, Humming. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. Yes, it is the smallest bird. And which is the largest bird in the world, children? Yes, what you all will speak on what? Ostrich. And if it will be talk about the smallest bird, so what you all will say? Hummingbird. Okay, children. Now let's see the next one is here. The dash is called the blue planet, and already I have said, yes, the earth, Earth, earth. The earth is called the blue planet. Okay, why? Because one third of the area of earth is surrounded by the water. That's why it is called the blue planet. Now dash is the largest mosque in India. What I have said, children? First, you all know, children, what? Muslims go to mosques to pray. And also what? Jama Masjid. The Jama Masjid, Jama, Jama Masjid, Masjid, Masjid. The Jama Masjid is the largest mosque in India. Now next, the Muslims celebrate dash to show their sadness. Yes, it's the what is the name of this festival? Yes, Muharram, children. Muharram is the festival. On that day, what? People show their sadness. So Muharram spelling Muharram. The Muslims celebrate Muharram to show their sadness. Understood? So children, these are the what? These are the fill in the blanks which I have explained very nicely, and with hope children you all have understood. Okay, so what you all have to do, you all will read this first, you all will watch this video and try to understand, and it will help to what? Complete your homework. Okay, so for today I would like to say you thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.